So just to reiterate how workplace-based this exam is, they want the exam formats, so you have to give your exam formats in the ones you expect, reports, memos, letters, like you would have had to do at P1 and P3, but also in the form of heat maps, flowcharts, process maps, even presentation slides. So exactly the sort of thing you might have to do at work. And of course on accountancy we show you how to do all of these. Now I also want you to see the sort of things you get given in the exam. And it's all very work-based. It's the sort of thing that you deal with in real life. So this is what we got from Specimen 2. So these are all things that were part of the case study in Specimen 2, part of the things that you needed to look at. So there was a website page where you could get the strategic direction and the mission from and board information and that sort of thing. There was a newspaper report, the public view of the company. There was extracts from like a competitor analysis, basically, spreadsheet work that you'd have to deal with, board minutes, chief executive CV thing that was needed, and an analysis of fraud. And the reason why I'm showing you these is just to show you how work-based this really is. And you've got to then take that into account and think, right, that's how they want it. That's how I've got to answer it. You've got to really get into the role that they give you. And we show you how to do that on accountancy.